So the Jamaican senior reggae girls team is now involved in CFU World Cup qualifying. The national under-14 male team just finished a warm-up tournament. The national under-23 men's team just returned from a 2-match tour of the Caribbean. The national under-20 men's team will have CONCACAF qualifiers in a matter of weeks. The national senior men's team also just returned from the Caribbean and are now preparing for games on the 7th and the 9th of September. These are but some of the 13 national teams that the JFF is responsible for funding and preparing for international competition. Now, on the face of it, Jamaica don't have the resources to adequately and effectively prepare so many national teams at the same time. So conventional logic would therefore suggest that we must prioritize, which means focusing on some teams at the expense of other teams. But if them cut the under-14, under-17 or the under-20 male programs, that would in effect disrupt the entire development and transition cycles of the football. If them cut the women's program, you're going to hear, say they are sexist and misogynist and blah, blah, blah. So while the JFF is not mandated by FIFA to enter all national teams in all competitions, very importantly, the level of funding they receive from FIFA is directly dependent on the number of active national teams the federation is overseeing. So a pauperized federation like the JFF will no doubt continue to be all things to all men and all women and enter all 13 national teams in all competitions in order to get the funding from FIFA.